Ross is arguably the most beautifully preserved town of 19th century in Tasmania, originally established in 1812. Its location was chosen by Governor Lachlan Macquarie. In 1836, first timber bridge was replaced by a magnificent sandstone bridge designed by John Lee Archer. It is the third oldest bridge in Australia. The stone masonry and carvings were done by convicts Daniel Herbert and James Colbeck using local sandstone. The work on the bridge has been described by experts as possibly the richest achievement of the earlier colonial period. This is just one of the examples that Australia was built by skill-gifted people, not just your typical convict lowlifes. Ross Female Factory was built in 1833. On arrival, female convicts were divided into three classes. The punishment class sentenced to solitary cells, the crime class put in prison, the hiring class given privileged position within the factory until they were hired as servants to local properties. The site included a chapel, dining rooms, hospital, nursery, solitary cells, dormitories, and an outer courtyard. It is one of the 11 sites that comprise the Australian Convict Sites on the World Heritage List. Transportation to Van Diemen's Land stopped in 1853. Hundreds of female convicts passed through the Ross Female Factory during its 6.5 years of operation. There are around 40 historic buildings in Ross, of which 20 are located on Church Street. The United Church, which opened in 1885, is located at the top of the street. The Gothic-style church looks like something out of fairy tale. It replaced a wooden Methodist church. Its features include hand-carved sandstone walls, Tasmanian blackwood pews, an Oregon ceiling, an Italian marble font with carved cherubim, stained glass windows, and a modern French tapestry depicting the Tree of Life. In 1926, Ross became the venue for the Van Diemen's Land's first agricultural show. The Tasmanian Wool Centre is located at 48 Church Street. It combines shop of woolen garments, a history museum, wool exhibition, and the local visitor information centre. With a fun sense of humour, the locals have called the main crossroads in town at the corner of Bridge and Church Street the corner of temptation, recreation, salvation, and damnation. Temptation was the Manor Ross Hotel, salvation was a Roman Catholic church, recreation was the town hall, and damnation was a local jail. The field gun in the middle of the crossroads was actually used during the Boer War. Ross is located 121 kilometres north of Herbert and 81 kilometres south of Launceston. Home to only a couple of hundred people, Ross lies along the Macquarie River. The Tyrernotepanner people originally lived in the area.